Hugging Face is a big lifesaver for open source AI community, and recently they have created a hugging chat that is similar like Chat GPT, and you are able to use any open source AI models to chat on Hugging Face. And also they have recently launched assistants in their Hugging Chat, enable you to create an AI agents for specific tasks that you want to use and helping you to complete some certain tasks. Like for example, you want to do coding, you want to make advertising ad copy using AI as your copywriter. So in here is the dashboard of the Hugging Chat. You can configure the AI models, large language models that you want to use in the chat session. And basically, they have some popular one that's available for you like the Meta Llama 2 70B. And I will try to use this one, and also I'm going to try with Mistral. So in the assistant here, you click this menu button, it will navigate you to this assistant page, and you can see there's a lot of pre-made AI agents that are contributing in the Hugging Face community already. And the most exciting thing for me is this copywriting AI. It acts as a copywriter of your products or your online service. You can start this AI agents. It will ask you some specific questions or what kind of data and audience scope that you have for your products, for example. And you are able to use that to create an ad copy for your products or your service. So in here, I fill in some information about new products. So for example, I have a new line of dog toys for indoor specified for urban city, like people live in our urban apartment that I wanted to target my audiences. Well, I have to fill it in here as well. So let's say my dog keeper audience in the range of 30 to 40 years old and people that who live in apartment in urban cities, that is going to be what I define my target audiences. Then these AI agents are going to processing the data that I input, and it will ask me what kind of platform that I want to promote. So for example, I answered it's YouTube. So through this step-by-step process, that the AI agent has, and after analyze my input information, the AI agents are going to help me to write an ad copy for my upcoming new products ad. So that is very brilliant ideas of creating AI agents to complete specific tasks. And these kind of agents are built on top of large language models. So for example, we have Llama 2 and also Mistral. We can build a GINs on top of this kind of large language models. So after all of the questionnaires that the AI asked me, and then it helps me to generate a script actually with cameras, motion, and scenes descriptions about the upcoming new products ad for my dog toys. And it's pretty cool. I can use that, take it as a reference. I'm not going to exactly copy the same thing as the narrow relations because there's specific features that I need to add for my toys that the AI doesn't know. So it can be a good reference for me as an assistant. So in here, we see the system instructions, how it predefined for copywriters to become these AI agents. So let's try and other examples here. So we got a web designer examples. This is a really cool one actually. You can create a landing page for your products or a company landing page. So for example, I create a startup that make collaborative GPU caster, and basically these AI agents are going to help me to generate HTML for this specific landing page that I want to create. And then after all, wait for a while, he finished typing and I have like a template of the whole bodies of this HTML. And then as the instruction step 3 here, the AI have instruct me to copy this code and it brings a link to tell when play to real-time preview the HTML code. So after I paste the code on here, I see the preview of this HTML and this is very complete landing page. Actually, this looks legit. You got all the selling points standing out. And then below that, we have a testimonial for the products, and that's very good of this. Actually, this is very flexible. We can do lots of other agents as well. There's other models available. You can click on top of the drop-down menus, and you see this filter of different AI models, large language models, that create those AI agents. So in this, for example, OpenChat 3.5 and OpenChat 3.5 is actually the ChatGPT 3.5 version. They have this open source one allowed you to use a chatbot. So basically, you can ask anything just like you use ChatGPT 3.5 in Hugging Face. And after I check out this one, I think this is really good one that for open source AI community, especially we use a lot in Hugging Face for running AI models and also doing research. That is a great tool for us within Hugging Face as one platform in daily basis. And also one of the good thing is that the Hugging Chat are enable web search functions. So whether you have configured what kind of large language models, just enable the web search button here and I type something like help me to summarize this article information and then I give it a link of this information and it will help me to go like a web scraper to gather those texts from this link. And then it helped me to summarize this information from those texts, and it will give me like a paragraph of what is that news talking about in Super Bowl news. And then there you go. This is very handy stuff. I think this is very suitable for everyone. Even you are doing research. Whether you are students, you are able to use the Hugging Chat with assistants to complete a lot of tasks automated, or it help you to get more information for your project. So I think this is very good tools. Want to share with you guys. And as far as I test, the web search cannot be gathered the YouTube or any videos format information like ChatGPT 4. It's kind of throwing some random keywords or random information here. So this is not for video format web page yet. So you have to be cautious when you're using this. Yeah, that is it for today's tutorial or videos I want to share about Hugging Chat and Hugging Chat Assistants. So hope you like it. Try it out with this and I will see you in the next videos. Have a nice day. Bye.